Hello everybody! Today I am out on my bike and I'm looking to see what I can see in the countryside. I'm looking to see what flowers I might find and what sounds I might hear. Would you like to come on this journey with me? And one of the things that I've seen is cow parsley. Cow parsley is a white flower and it's here. I don't know if you can see it very clearly. This is cow parsley. Very small white flowers that make the place look pretty. What colour are the leaves that you can see now? What colour are the leaves that you could see there? I wonder, were they blue? Were they red? Were they yellow? Were they white? That's right, they were white.
I'm interrupting this show to let you know that the flowers were white, but the leaves were not white. They were green. Remember your colours, Mr. Stuart. Carry on as you were.
Were they green? Excellent, that's right, they were green. Most of the leaves that we can see behind us are green because it's springtime, almost summer. Seasons are changing and the leaves are looking marvellous. Don't you agree? Me too. Let's see what else we can see. I just heard the most wonderful sounds. I wonder if you can hear them. Can you hear them? Lots of birds singing a song on a beautiful sunny day. So not all flowers are on the ground. You must look up if flowers are to be found. And as we look up here, don't know if we can get close enough to them. There are lots of flowers on the tree. So flowers don't just grow on the ground, they grow up in the trees as well. How cool is that? Let's see what else we can find. So behind me we have some lovely purple flowers. I'm just going to see if we can get a little bit closer to them. Lovely purple flowers with a white inside, and these flowers will attract the bumblebees, and the bumblebees help everything out in the countryside to grow strong and healthy and to be great. Let's move on. So this hunt for flowers takes us far and wide. It takes us miles and miles. We're looking for flowers. We're looking for trees. We're looking to see what we's can seize. Our next flower is one of my favourites and its name is... oh, I can't remember what it's called.
They're called forget-me-nots.
Thank you. How could I have forgotten? They're called forget-me-nots and they are beautiful. Purple. And very, very small. I hope you've enjoyed today looking at flowers. Next time you're out on a walk, or next time you're out with your family and your friends, let us know what you find. Have a wonderful day.